More than 40,000 years ago, ancient ancestors made fires and took shelter in dark caves in China's mountainous Guizhou province. Nowadays, these caves are turned into secure and safe data storage centers in Guizhou's capital city Guiyang, more widely known as China's Big Data Valley.
在贵阳贵安，我们这种低丘陵多山的这种地貌，它的大小是正好适合于营造动物式数据中心。最重要的一点呢，是贵阳贵安它常年无洪水、无地震，所以它首先带给各个使用方是对于数据安全的保全，以及建筑的保全，而且还有很重要的一点，就是在建筑的这个能耗上，优点也是比较突出。那在倡导双碳社会的今天的话，那这个还是有比较积极的借鉴意义的。
Often dubbed China's Big Data Hub, Guizhou is China's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone. It boasts 37 data centers in operation or under construction, 7 enterprises including Apple, Huawei, and Tencent. Guizhou promotes the big data industry as the backbone of its high-quality social and economic development, with 37% of its GDP contributed by the digital economy in 2022.